As Russia has continued to deploy the TOS-1A thermobaric multiple rocket launcher, Ukraine has managed to take out a great deal of these systems lately, some by precision striking at their hiding spots, but many as seen here with the Ukrainian drone army chasing them down and striking them. As this drone intercepted a vehicle at a dirt road, all of its rockets were used up, reducing the TOS system's greatest weakness at the front line. While hard to know if the drone strikes the launcher tube or the chassis, it can be certain the drone strikes the system well, at least damaging if not destroying it, trading a cheap drone against at least a damaged, expensive and limited system, lowering Russia's capability. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.